3,300 mAh capacity easily achieves day plus battery life. Battery is sealed in now because of waterproofing. Wireless charging is slow, but a nice feature to have. Another long-standing fault in the V series DNA has been great battery performance. And that's not just limited to how the battery inside can withstand the rigors of the day, but also that up until now, they've been removable and thus, performance is everlasting given that you own an extra battery. As you might have suspected from the design, the V30 has sealed in the battery, a necessary, but nevertheless slightly unfortunate move to ensure that waterproofing works. Either way, we've been delighted by the 3,300 mAh battery in the non-final unit, bringing in at the same size as the cell found with the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. All-day battery life is an easy goal for this phone to meet. When we watched a 90-minute movie file in 1080p, the V30 remarkably only dropped down to 87% once it was finished. Most phones drop down at least 20% during this test, so we're pleased with this discovery. When it comes to recharging the phone, we are pleased to say that the final retail unit lives up to the numbers that we got with the pre-production unit. From 0%, it can raise up to 30% in 15 minutes, up to 67% after a half hour, and 100% in just under 2 hours. The final 20% is always the slowest, but for most, an hour of charging will easily get them through the day.